Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use the free night award with Hyatt to book hotel stays. So first off, you need to go to hyatt.com, and if you haven't yet, you can create an account by clicking here and hitting join. But since I already have an account, I'm just going to log in with my account. All right. So how do you find your Hyatt free night? So first off, you need to go here. So under your name, just click on it, then go to My Awards. And if you have a free night, it'll show right here. So currently I have one free night award and I can book a category 1 to 4 properties. So you may ask, Dax, how do I figure out if a hotel is a category 1, 2, 3, or 4? So one way to do that is go to World of Hyatt, click on it so you can go back to the main page, then hit explore, then go click on this hotels and resorts. Then let's say I wanted to go to Japan, so hit search. So now it's gonna go to Japan. Then once you're here, go to filters and it'll tell you, like right here, if you go down, scroll down, you will see, so award categories, so you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So with your Hyatt free night award, it will tell you what categories you can book with the hotel night. So earlier it says category 1 to 4. So you will have, I would just select, all of them. So category 1 to 4, then results. Then if we want to zoom in, so let's just say you want to go to Tokyo. So currently, you can use your free night award to book 4 of these properties. So now it's in yen. So right now on this map, there's 4 properties that you can book, using your free nights. So if you want to hit this point, it'll tell you how much it costs per night. So typically, your Hyatt free night award will let you book a property up to 15,000 points. So as you can see here, they're less than 15,000, so they only cost 12,000 points per night. So that means you can select this and book it. You can book, let's just go with this one, Hyatt Regency Tokyo. So select. Oh, by the way, first off, so there's 4 properties, right? And they're all scattered in Tokyo. You need to do your research first, where you want to stay in Tokyo, because some of these, for example, Yokohama, it's far away from the city. And so I would recommend either booking this 3, but if you ask me, I will book one of these properties. So the places around Shibuya, there's a lot of, what do you call that, some sites. So, the Shibuya Crossing, Hachiko. So if you guys want to stay there, you can select this. So let's just say you want to book the Hyatt House in Tokyo, Shibuya. So you will select that. Then make sure to put in the number of guests and your date. So let's just select a random date. So for some reason it went to Hyatt Regency instead of Shibuya Tokyo. So but what do you call that, the amount of points needed to book this hotel is the same. So let's just use Hyatt Regency as an example. Okay, all right, so here we go. So on this date, August 12 and 13, it says here that I can book this using my free night award. So once you click on it, you will have 3 options. So it's either you use your free night, or you want to use your points if you have any points, or you can do a combination of both, so points and cash. But for this video, I want to show you how to use the free night award. So we'll just use this, the free night certificate. So free night. And the cool thing about booking a hotel with Hyatt is typically the cancellation policy is very good. So here it says here you have 2 days before your check-in day, to cancel the property. So I mean, to cancel this, if you do cancel before 2 days, you will get your free night award back. So pretty cool. So just in case if something happens, with your travel plans and you need to cancel, you can do so. Make sure to cancel it before 2 days. So here on this window, it'll tell you more information. So make sure your dates are correct and how many guests, and make sure it's showing here free night. So you're using your free night certificate. If you use your points, it'll tell you here you're redeeming 15,000 points or 12,000 points. So anyway, we're good on that. and then put in your payment information, then click on this, then book my stay. So I'll just do it just for example purposes. Once you click on submit, it'll take you to this confirmation window where it says, thank you for choosing Hyatt Hotels and Resorts. Here's your confirmation, and it's booked. And say hi to sushi, ramen, anime, and all that good stuff. But anyhow, so I hope you guys learned something from this video. So again, what I would recommend is if you guys have a free night, make sure to just play around and see which hotels you can book. And also, I would recommend choosing the one that's the more expensive one, because you want to maximize your free night award and book the more expensive hotel versus the one that's really cheap, like the category 1. So if you guys can find a category 4, I would highly recommend booking using your free night to book that category 4 award. So I'm all about maximizing our free night award and also points. So just a quick tip, all right? So again, if you guys haven't done it yet, hit like and feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.